Please do not look at me. I feel nervous.
Emma, please tell us something about yourself today.
I think it is better if nobody knows me.
Eating alone feels easier than talking with people.
Why did she hide that paper so quickly?
I really wonder why Emma hid that paper. Emma, would you like to answer this question today?
Sorry, teacher. I do not want to answer today. You keep watching Emma. What are you thinking about? I think Emma needs help, but something feels strange.
Maybe I can talk with Emma after school.
Oh no! Emma dropped something from her bag.
I need to leave now. Nobody should follow.
This belongs to Emma. I should return it.
Why is another girl's name inside this notebook?
The name says Lily. Who is Lily, exactly?
Wait, please. You dropped your notebook today. You found it? Thank you. Please give it back. I saw another name. Is Lily your friend? Please do not ask about Lily. Not right now. Emma looked very sad when I said Lily. A new girl seems lonely, and nobody knows why.
Sometimes people need time before sharing their feelings.
Today, I will try being a kind friend. I still miss you every single day, Lily. May I sit here with you this morning? You can sit here if you really want. You do not have to talk if uncomfortable today. Most people keep asking questions again and again. Lily was my best friend before everything changed. Maybe we can talk more after school today. Maybe I can. I am not completely sure.
Today, please draw someone who is special to you.
I hope Lily is happy wherever she is now. That paper fell again. Could it be important? Emma still does not know her paper fell again. I should return this before Emma leaves school. Please do not open that paper. Please, Elara.
Do not worry. I never opened your paper.
That paper is the last message Lily gave. You can tell me only when you feel ready. Thank you for giving me enough time to speak. Friends can walk together, even without many words. Lily wrote, "Please keep smiling every single beautiful day always." She moved far away, and we never met again. Emma still carries deep sadness inside her kind heart. Maybe today can feel a little different for me. Good morning, Emma. I am happy you came today. Good morning, Elara. Thank you for waiting beside me. Emma is smiling today. What wonderful thing happened yesterday? I am happy we are walking together this morning. You helped me feel less lonely every single day.
Please choose one partner and finish today's fun activity together.
What if nobody wants to work with me today? Teacher, I want Emma as my partner for today. You really picked me before everyone else today? Yes, because friends always help each other feel brave together. I think I can try my best with you. Your drawing is beautiful. I really like your colorful ideas. After Lily moved away, I feared losing every new friend. I understand your feelings, and I will stay beside you. Your words make my heart feel much lighter today.
Please come forward and show everyone your wonderful drawing together.
This picture shows friends helping each other every single day.
Excellent job, Emma. Your brave words made everyone smile.
You were very brave in class this afternoon today. I felt brave because you stayed beside me today.
After Lily moved, many friends slowly stopped talking with me.
You will never sit alone while I am here.
Emma, someone left something special for you today.
The gift is waiting near your classroom door now.
Who could leave something kind for me like this? I hope this gift brings happy memories, not sad ones.
That bracelet looks beautiful. Please read the little card. This card says, "You already have new caring friends today." This kind gift makes my heart feel warm again.
Did you both find the little surprise waiting here?
Was the beautiful bracelet and card from you, Mia?
Elara helped me choose every small gift for you. Today I found friendship again because of both friends. This bracelet reminds me I am never alone anymore. The bracelet looks perfect because your smile is shining today. I made this flower because you believed in me always. Thank you, Emma. I will keep this gift very carefully.
Tomorrow, our school will celebrate a special Friendship Day together.
Tomorrow will be the happiest Friendship Day at our school.
Everyone will share one kind message with another student tomorrow.
What if nobody writes a kind message for me? I know many people already care about you very much. I never placed this little heart inside my notebook. I wonder who made this sweet little heart today. It says, "You always belong with caring friends here today." Did someone here really write this beautiful message for me? We all wanted you to feel welcome with us always. Today, I finally feel like I truly belong here. Today will bring many happy memories for everyone together.
Write kind words that make another person's heart feel happy.
I finally know exactly what kind words to write. This card is for my first brave friend here. Your friendship is the best gift I received this year.
Please stand together because our final Friendship Day activity begins.
Emma is kind, brave, gentle, and always cares about others.
I never knew everyone already saw me this way.
Emma, please share your heart with everyone before we finish.
Because of all your kindness, I believe friendship again today. Emma, we are very happy you joined our class today.
Someone asked me to give this special letter to you.
I hope this letter brings another happy surprise for me.
I know this writing. It belongs to Lily, my friend. That's right, sweetie.
Maybe Lily still remembers me after all these years.
I cannot wait to read Lily's kind words today. Dear Emma, I think about you every single day, always. I hope you found kind friends who make you smile daily.
Now I know you are smiling with wonderful friends too.
My heart finally feels peaceful because I know the truth.
I have one more special surprise before today's celebration ends. This special award celebrates true kindness and wonderful friendship. This year's Friendship Heart Award goes to Elara and Emma together. You both showed everyone the true meaning of friendship today.
You changed my life simply by choosing to be kind.
Today showed how one kind choice can change many hearts.
This classroom truly feels like my second happy home now. Will you play together with Elara and me after school? Yes, I would love spending happy time with both friends. Our friendship story is only beginning from this beautiful day. Today feels brighter because we are walking home together now.
Sunny found us. He always knows where I am.
Sunny makes me feel peaceful and happy inside today.
I never laughed this much since Lily moved away.
I think Lily would smile if she saw us today. This sunset feels beautiful because we are all together now. I finally feel safe sharing happy moments with friends again. This letter will always remind me to keep smiling every day. Every new day can bring another wonderful friend into life. I will always welcome kindness and trust new friends again. Today became one of my happiest school days ever.
Welcome home, sweetheart. You look very happy this evening.
Emma smiled because everyone showed her true friendship and kindness.
Your kind heart helped another child find hope again today.
Kindness can change someone's whole life, one small step at once. Today feels like another beautiful day with wonderful friends together. Good morning, Elara. I have something very special for you. I made this scrapbook to thank you for everything. This beautiful gift will stay inside my heart forever. Every new school day now begins with hope and friendship. Today feels wonderful because we can learn together every day.
Your friendship made our classroom kinder and happier for everyone.
Thank you for helping me believe in friendship once again. Every new friend can bring hope, kindness, and happy memories together.
Thank you for watching Elara Daily English. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you again soon.